Today for the Bitcoin price. And yes guys, you read the title right. I am not exaggerating. There's one specific pattern in the charts, and I'm actually here in Dubai at a blockchain crypto conference, and I found this while Tone Vays was speaking, and I had to go out. I went into my car because it's literally the only place where I can talk about that, and I want to talk about my price targets, what I'm looking out for. And I can promise you one thing: this pattern is a pattern where no one is looking out for. It has statistically a great performance. So I will talk about that. I will talk about my future trades and about my current trades. And of course, most importantly, what to do if you are standing on the sidelines right now, how to play that here on a specific trade. So let me go straight into the charts. By the way, I am here with Mo and Mende, actually two friends of mine joining me here for this crypto conference. Make sure you check them out over on Instagram, YouTube. Now let me go over into the charts here. What I'm looking out for Bitcoin. So this looks of course like Picasso. It's not the pattern I'm talking about. I will go into that just in a few seconds. Here you can see, if I'm basically going over to the hourly candles, that we had these two bull flags here. We broke out of the falling wedge, exactly as I was actually predicting. Then we broke out of the bull flag and even closely hit my price targets here before we got that fake out to the downside I was talking about earlier. Let me go here straight into the pattern I'm actually talking about. And what you can see here is by far the most beautiful pattern I have seen since ages for Bitcoin. We are here on the hourly candles, and you know what? Let me go over to the 4 hourly where it's getting even more beautiful. I was talking with Tone Vays, the one and only one, about it. I showed it to him and he said, whoa, come on man, this is a beautiful pattern. And what you can see here is on the 4 hourly, ever since the 20th of March, and you know, the higher the time frame, the more accurate it actually is. We were forming this big cup and then this beautiful handle here. And Bitcoin was just meant to fake out just a few hours ago when I uploaded that video here, just to make this cup, this handle, a valid one, because it has to be longer. And the nicest thing about that is, let me quickly delete this one here, the measured move price target, that the target is actually measured from the bottom of the cup, which is very, very low, all the way to the upside. And here guys, hear me out. What I'm talking about is the price target of 68,700. And if you are subscribed to the MMCrypto channel, and if you've not been sleeping under a rock, you remember why this is a very interesting price target. This is why you're subscribed to the MMCrypto channel. Let me show you this, guys. If you pull this AB equals CD move all the way over to the bottom, then you can see that we have a perfect alignment of these price targets. And I'm not done with you yet. I'm not saying we are 100% going to break out. What I am telling you right now is, if we are breaking the specific neckline I'm going to mention just in a bit, then we have a price target of 68,300, which is in perfect alignment, which has perfect confluence with the AB equals CD move and also the Fibonacci golden extension level. This is a monster confluence. Let me quickly go over. This is a monster confluence which we haven't seen since ages. The more confluence we have, the higher the time frame actually is, the higher the possibility actually of us breaking out. Should we jump into a long trade right now? No, but I will tell you exactly where to jump into a long trade, of course with proper risk management, with your own TA, with your own analysis and at your own risk. With all of these disclaimers of course said, my personal, and let me delete here this Fibonacci extension level, my personal entry price would be, once we are breaking above this magical neckline, which is so close right now, yet so far, above the $60,000 level, if we are closing a 4 hourly above, confirming the breakout, this is where I'm massively jumping actually into a trade and increasing the contract size of the trade I'm actually having right now. Let me quickly show you. This here is the cup and handle side. This here is the pattern side from Bulkowski. Big shout out to him. And as you can see here, these wait a second, these patterns, they have a nice performance, 3 out of 39. It's the third best performing pattern you can find actually based on 913 perfect trades. So this is what I call a very nice sample, guys. This is what I call a very, very nice sample. And now let me go over into my trade, because I want to show you, this is my trade over on Phemex, 8.5 million US dollars right now. I went into that trade and it is already 2.44 million US dollars in a profit. And I did not scale out because, well, something was smelling like, Chris, wait a little bit, let the price tell you what to do. So this is what I'm looking out for right now. I wanted to keep it as simple as possible, and I wanted to know from you guys, what do you think about this beautiful potential cup and handle pattern? Once again, guys, don't jump into a trade before we are confirming the breakout, but I'm here to tell you before it happens. And if it happens, this might get very interesting for Bitcoin. Still hedge your bet, guys. We just had a massive fake out to the downside. This is not bullish, certainly, but if we are breaking this handle, if we are breaking the neckline, the horizontal neckline, it will be the moment for me to switch over to a certainly very bullish bias. Let me know what you think about that. And guys, we just had yesterday some shadow bans going on also over on his channel. Once again, big shout out to Mende. If you can, just smash up the like button, destroy the algorithm with likes, with comments, with shares. I truly appreciate that, and you can help me actually reach more people, because this is in the end of the day my purpose. So thank you so much for helping me with that purpose. As I'm always saying, guys, you are the #1 reason why I'm waking up in the morning with a smile in my face. So this is what I wanted to thank you for. There is a link down below if you wanted to give back. Well, I have $700 in free bonuses in the pinned comment down below. You can trade with that free bonus as well, and it's the exchanges I'm trading on: Bybit, Phemex, Judex. Actually, Bybit and Phemex are my favorite ones. Use the links down below before this bonus period is over. But if you are using our link today, you are eligible for all future bonuses. Just click the link down below, and after your initial deposit, you get these bonuses for free. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.